Hey guys, Missy AJ here, and today I'm going to be, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I still owe you guys the top 10 secrets, so I guess I'll tell you them. I don't know if I can think of 10 at the moment, but I'll give you some while I'm trying to get a block long. Doubt it's going to work. Someone told me that, the smoothie hut's worth a good long. Oop, someone at my den. So, I don't know if I'm gonna actually, believe them. Hi. Sup. Hoi. Sup. Hi. So I'm just gonna Google it really quick. No thanks. Oops. I know I have the best wallpaper ever. Wait, that's promo? Huh. I heard someone tell me it was promo, but I didn't really believe it. Shop King, Shop King, Shop King. King. Like, whenever I search up trade attempts, I always get Shop King. Like, no offense to Shop King, I love his videos, not gonna lie. But, now there's dogs. Ooh, I really want this, actually, I remember that. But, all he does is Animal Jam anymore. Like, my little sister subscribed to them. Because he did Shopkins. But I think he should do Shopkins sometimes too again. I'm limited 15 minutes per video. So I might just do a different video on the top 10 secrets. Ah, that's loud. I have no idea who this person is, but apparently I'm her friend. I'm gonna turn off my game requests. I hate when people, just... Okay, so... Whoever this is, nice fit, I think. I'm just gonna go back to... Now that I leave, it's full. What? I'm about to, unbuddy these people and run away as fast as I can. But I don't want to be rude. My list for... Oh boy. Stop it. Sorry if I'm quiet and it creeps you out. I'm quiet after school for some reason. Until my dad comes home. Hold on. This... recording. I think my new recorder is like making me lag or something, but that's okay. My videos are somewhat good. Oh no, don't go in there. Don't you am I the only one who hates it when you click and you accidentally go into another room? I don't want to meet you when you're dead. I am very sorry, but I am busy making a video. If that surprises you, I am sorry. Oh, this looks nice art. Oops. Nice art. You do have some nice art. I love art that does stuff like... Oh, wait, nope. Sorry, that's... Ooh. Nice art. Really good. I am in love with any art that's actually like it has to do with cats. I love it. Oh, stop jagging me before I have to lock my jags, which I can't do. Or either that, or I'm just gonna unbuddy you. I do that if you spam me. Sounds rude, but it's really not. If you guys get spammed by people, then you should know how I feel. You're under by 2 good longs. I'm pretty sure I'm not. I don't give a... Sorry for my language, but I don't give a crap. Like, I can try to get a black long if I want. Like, here. I'll add some stuff. God. I don't have much to add, but... Oh, yeah, guys. I am doing a giveaway. Oh, sorry. Probably too loud, but... I am doing a giveaway. Gotta end the videos. Oh. So... I'm pretty sure the, Diamond Shop tails are kind of rare now. Like, the ones with the skunk tail and all that. Pretty sure those are kind of good. For some reason, Alden's not full. Like, I'm in Alden. Oh my god, that's scary. Aww! I want this! I want this now! Oh, this is still going? Oops. want that. I want this right now. I have some for trade. Looking for 1 to 3 or RAM HD. Also taking no. I want this, but I don't know if it's actually worth it. So I am going to decline. Oh, look who's calling. Hold on. Jenna.
What?
Guess what?
You got a rep on?
No, I'm recording.
You what?
I'm recording.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. I don't know if they can hear you. Hold on. Talk.
Sup, bro?
Okay. This is Jamer XX. Yeah, that's her. Yep, that's her. Hold on. Someone in the comments section left me a link and they suggested some good a recording thing, so I'm using it and it actually kind of works.
Oh, cool.
I know, my videos are gonna be good quality unless you call.
Well, I'm gonna call every day, so.
Oh, well, I'm not gonna do daily vid. Jenna, are wall stickers rare?
I don't think so.
Cause it's a promo for actual Animal Jam wall stickers. Ooh, hold on, I got something.
Oh, turn back on. No, I'm just transferring on. There you are. There it is.
My recording, for some reason it's limited to only 15 minutes. Sorry. I'm about to block my not my trade request. My buddy request. Because these people are buddying me and it's really annoying. Oh yeah, back to searching Beast Jamer. Beast
Jamer.
Oh, it's not even typing. Isn't that nice?
I'm so tired. School is tiring.
I know, guys. Jenna, are wall stickers rare or not? Because she keeps trading me wall stickers and I don't know.
No, they're not. I don't think so.
Yeah, but it's a brand new promo.
Yeah, but what is it for?
My purple long, and they're also adding a green long wrist. Yeah, Jenna.
Oh.
Beast. They're probably at Walmart or Target. I bet anyone with this in the store. Okay, so.
Yes, my masterpiece was approved.
Oh, you're on?
Yeah.
Hold on, someone said these are sold for $1.
Oh, I forgot that it was very uneven. Whatever. My god, I love Panic at the
So
Disco.
the cheapest items always come with the MST promo codes. I don't know what that means, but okay.
MSP?
Yeah.
When we start playing it.
Oh my gosh. No, it was MST, I think. What? I'm not even gonna. The real life sticker sheet, you get these in game literally $1 USD.
Cat, you still, not Cat. Missy.
Jenna, you cannot call me by my first name. Well, now it's too late.